Did you know you can earn cryptocurrency using just a web browser? Yes, it is possible. To find out, stick around and watch this video. Welcome back to Cryptocurrency Educate. In today's video, we will check out how to earn cryptocurrency using a browser called Brave web browser. Search for Brave browser on your search engine, click on the first link that appears, and then simply click on download Brave. Now go to the file location, run this file. The installation will take some minutes. It seems like the installation is complete, and now you can click on the triangle icon up top. Yeah, you can read this, or you can just click on start using rewards. So you can just click continue and go forward, and here is the part where you can set up the ads, the number of ads that you are willing to view per hour, and based on the number of ads that you view, you will get something called as basic attention token cryptocurrency. To read more about it, you can read the blog in description. So this is basically it. You have set up your wallet, crypto wallet. You can verify this wallet. If you want, you can verify this wallet. You can go on settings. You can click on verify wallet, and verifying is optional. You don't really need to verify it in order to use the wallet. So we're going to skip that. Just click on the wallet option right on top. Now we need to secure your new Brave wallet. Click on get started. Set a secure password. Click on continue. Okay, this is a very important step, so please pay attention. On the next screen, when you click on continue, on the next screen you will be displayed a 12-word secret recovery phrase. A good idea would be to write it down on a notebook. In case your account gets compromised, or you're unable to access your account, or you forget your password, this 12-word secret recovery phrase is the only way that you can get your account back. So it is extremely crucial that you do not share this information with anyone. Do not take screenshots of the 12-word security phrase, and do not leave any digital copies of it, because if your system can get hacked and people can access that code, then they can access your wallet. And there you have it, your wallet is ready. You can change the name of the wallet if you want. Okay, so how do we earn cryptocurrency using Brave browser? Well, it's very simple. You just have to browse the internet using this browser, and at random a small ad from the Brave ad network will pop up in the lower part of the screen as shown in the screenshot. So this ad is from AAX. You can just click on it and browse their website for a few seconds, and if you're interested you can sign up, and or else you can just close this tab. That's basically it. You will get tokens for your attention. So that's how you'll earn BAT cryptocurrency. Do you have any other questions? Then please comment below. We would really appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, because there's going to be a lot more content on cryptocurrency. And please leave a thumbs up, and see you in the next video.